going on, guys? Cody with Bartlett Arbor Supply. Today we're going to be doing a cut test on the Solidur Sofresh pants. We're trying to make this as realistic as possible. So in the upright position, I'm going to come across and hit my cut right around here, and then we'll check the log. As you can see, I tried to make the log, roughly around the same size of a leg so that it fills up the pants, opposed to having it loose in there and maybe the saw catches the pants prior to. Just trying to make it more, as realistic as possible. And now we'll check it. Well, as you can see, it definitely did what it was supposed to do by stopping the saw almost immediately. Yeah, it didn't even go all the way through. So as you can see, it didn't even make it all the way through the pants. So you'd probably have a minor bruise there, but no actual laceration. We were using a MS 261. Freshly sharpened. All right, guys, so with that, head on over to bartlettman.com and pick yours up today.